国际消息，咱要来看美国三大指数15收悬，标普500甲纳斯达克指数搁再创下历史新高，也那道琼工业指数嘛小可有起。市场真期待联准会即礼拜会启动今年头一届降息。特斯拉的股价因为马斯克增加投资有大起3.6%，AI 概念股同款嘛有起。不过，整批大厂回答却是传出去，互中国监管机构调查涉嫌高占市场的情形。
美国三大指数拜收行标普500起0.47%，报6615点；纳斯达克也起0.94%，收跌22348点，双双刷新历史高点。投资人普遍认为，美国联准会这礼拜会议会宣布降利息一码，甚至期待更较大幅度，或者是更较真侪摆降利息。
So it seems that the markets are really factoring in a Fed cut on Wednesday. And maybe even leaning toward hopes of a further cut very quickly, or maybe even a bigger than expected cut on Wednesday. I think the market would be very positively surprised if the Fed cut 50 basis points, but the baseline is 25 basis points.
市场关注的焦点之一是特斯拉股价大起3.6%，因为执行长马斯克开10亿美金加买家己公司的股票，被解读是对公司前途有信心。同时，谷歌母公司 Alphabet 也因为法官对反垄断法做出有利的裁决，直达第一摆超过3兆美金。AI 应用前景乐观，带动科技股继续升分。
If he signals clearly that there will be several more cuts, that will be viewed as positive. I think the markets will be comforted. If there's uncertainty about that, the market could have a more uncertain path going forward.
投资人看好生成式 AI 加数据中心需求，科技股带头起。不过，晶片大公司回答煞面临挑战。中国国家市场监管总局宣布初步调查显示，或者涉嫌违反反垄断法。外界解释中国大动作反制，想要有关谈判条件，内容刑收1%到10%的罚款，恐惊冲击回答伫中国市场170亿美金的营收，也看到恐惊牵连 H20晶片出货，甚至影响大集团。公司新闻陈伟金报道。